So what the hell is this meditation thing, and why the hell is everybody doing it? My name is Amanda Gates, and I am an interior designer and feng shui practitioner. I help people create designs that are energy aligned. If you don't trust the vibe and get that energy right, there's no amount of pretty that's going to fix that. And that's where I come in. I'm an expert in interior design, and I'm an expert at energy. And what I can do is come in and align your space to get the energy right so it elevates the pretty. It elevates the interior design so that you get it right every time. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hey everyone, Amanda here. I am so excited about these two audios that I am offering up for you. The first one is by Sade Simone, who I am such a huge fan of, and the second one is by Emily Fletcher from Sever Meditation. Now listen, April can be a very stressful month, right? It's all about tax season. It's all about your money. It makes us uncomfortable. We hate it. And that's why I thought it would be an excellent idea to bring in this idea of meditation. Meditation is not really as complicated as I feel like some people make it. It's really about getting connected with your breath work and silencing the mind. And that can seem really difficult. But did you know that simply walking outside, maybe a 20-minute stroll, maybe paddle boarding, if you're near water, you can do that, and get you into that meditative state. And it's really that simple. And here's the cool thing. Meditation is about allowing us to bring forth our best selves, right? We live in such a high-stress world. We're constantly, our busy schedules, we have this, we have so many things to do, there's not enough time. But there really is. Even if you give yourself 5 minutes, just sit down, do some quick breathing, do some quick breath work, or maybe go for a walk outside. That's probably the best thing that you can do to just calm your nervous system. The interview that I did with Saw was amazing. He not only talks about this idea of calming down the parasympathetic nervous system, but this idea of the vagus nerve. He gets actually pretty scientific as to why meditation works. And guess what? So does Emily. And you are gonna love both of them. Saw has an incredible story of running this amazing magazine in New York with all kinds of egotistical ways of thinking, right? I'm gonna run this massive empire, and I'm going to have all of these amazing clothes, and I'm going to have the external things that I think that I need. I'm going to have all of those external things that I'm told that I should have. But then he gets them, and it's not what it was chumped up to be. It's not at all what he wanted. In fact, he still felt really empty inside. And it wasn't until he went over to India and started this idea of meditation and breath work and started doing the inner work that he realized that is what was going to make him happy. And Emily's no different. She was a former dancer and had this high stress, high level of not being able to breathe and freaking out and having this amazing lifestyle that she was told that she should have on Broadway, on the external, and on paper. It looks amazing, it looks fancy, it looks like what our society says is successful. But at the core, we're empty, we're not happy. So we strive and we strive and we strive until we burn out, have a nervous breakdown, or something traumatic happens, and thus we find meditation. That is why I'm so excited to share these two audios with you, because I think it's going to change everything. Not only in the way that you think about meditation, but what it can do for you in helping calm you down and help you get perspective on the things that matter. Be sure to click the button below to subscribe, and just below that, you'll find the link to both of these audios on the Home Energy Design Podcast. I know you're gonna love them, and I know that they're gonna provide you with benefits to help you learn a new way to think about meditation. Are you ready? Let's do this.